Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2003 Dodge Dakota. The center brake light on this vehicle is very easy to replace. The oil dipstick is easily visible in the engine bay. Setting the clock is very straightforward and requires little effort. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. In order to replace the headlight, you'll need to remove a second light housing in order to access. To drain the coolant, you'll have to remove many fasteners and a panel. Although not too difficult, the jack on this vehicle can be found in a unique location. Though the headlights are difficult to replace, the 2003 Dodge Dakota is pretty straightforward to repair.